Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my feet and I'm just showing you guys my nails from when they grew out. I am going to be doing a video on those next. So here is the set that I decided to do on my feet. I was going to do black at first, but it just didn't look right. But I am going to go ahead and hop right in. So I've already removed the previous set that I had already. So now I'm just going to file the surface first. So after I did that, I went ahead and wiped the dust off, but now I am applying cuticle remover so that I can go ahead and push my cuticles and everything back. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe with acetone, and I use acetone as my dehydrator. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish wiping those off, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply some primer next. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some base coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some Gershon Natural Pink to all of my nails. instead of adding a false nail, I just went ahead and used the product and went over the part where my nail stopped. I kind of extended it a little bit so that I would be able to shape it better than how my actual nail is shaped. Cheers to a better angle. So now I'm just wiping off with some alcohol. I'm wiping the sticky tacky layer off. So after wiping, I am just going to go ahead and go in with my e-file. First, I'm going to use my sanding bit, and then I'm going to change the bit to a ceramic barrel bit. that I am done shaping and filing, I am just going to go ahead and go in with my buffer, and I have cuticle oil on there so that the surface can be really smooth afterwards. So now I'm just adding top coat. I don't really have a reason to why I'm adding top coat now, because I am going over the top coat with a different color as well. But if I was not going over the top coat with another color, I would have just put the top coat so that I would be able to wipe off my mistakes very easily. So now I'm just curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm going in with some of this Elite 99 gel polish. Here's the color that I decided to use. I wanted that like pearly pink kind of sort of, so that's why I used this color. So I went ahead and cured that in the lamp. Now I am just going to go ahead and apply some glow. Glow is just white. It's from a cart. I will go ahead and find that and link that down in the description box. Also, you guys, if you guys are still with me, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to also share this video with someone who might like it. And also, if you are watching this video and haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Like, go ahead and smack that subscribe button, please, and thank you. now that I am done with the French tip, I am just going to go ahead and apply some top coat. And now I'm just curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now we're just going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil to my cuticles, and then I'm going to give you guys those angles because it wouldn't be a Shade Nailed It video without those angles. I just wanted to give you guys this video because why not? A lot of people do acrylic toes, so why not do polygel toes? But anywho, like I said, don't forget to also comment down below what you guys want to see in my next videos. Every video I'm going to ask you guys to do this so that I can give you guys more content that you want. So just go ahead and do that for me, y'all. So my toes are done. I had to give y'all a slow-mo and a different angle because why not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.